In this video, we introduce the different TAISEI KOGYO filter elements, explaining their main characteristics, advantages and typical applications. The paper element is the standard and most economical filtration solution. It is typically used in non-critical hydraulic systems where basic contamination control is required. Its main advantage is the balance between cost and performance, making it suitable for general industrial applications where frequent replacement is acceptable. Wire mesh elements are designed for demanding industrial environments. Thanks to their pleated stainless steel construction, they provide a large filtration surface and high mechanical resistance. Although their initial cost is higher, they can be cleaned and reused multiple times, reducing long-term operating costs. The larger filtration area also improves dirt holding capacity and flow stability. Notch wire elements use a precision-profiled stainless steel wire structure. This design provides a more stable and repeatable filtration gap compared to conventional mesh elements. Their flat surface allows easier cleaning and maintenance, making them an efficient and cost-effective reusable solution for many industrial filtration applications. C-fiber elements are manufactured using glass microfiber filtration media and provide absolute high-efficiency filtration. Their performance is verified through multi-pass testing using beta ratio standards. These elements are specifically designed to protect sensitive hydraulic components such as servo valves and proportional systems, where contamination control is critical for reliability and service life. Selecting the correct filter element is not only about micron rating. It is about choosing the right filtration technology to protect equipment, reduce wear, and increase system reliability.